Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope so that you all will be fine. As you know that we are on chapter number 1 part B. This is a poem and its name is Robin. And we are today going to complete the exercise from workbook. So let's start. This is page number 6 and it is A part, as cool as. Students, one thing I would like to tell you that when we give comparison of something with using as or like, this comparison is called similes. This is actually going to make our language more figurative, more beautiful. It gives a good expression when we use similes in our language. So first one statement is, read the following sentence and talk about the meaning. Here a sentence is given. The boy is as cool as a cucumber. So first of all we will look at the picture. Here is a boy who is walking in a very good mood and a tiger is following that boy. So students, just take a look of this. Whether the boy is scared? No. He is not worried or not scared that a tiger is following him. He is cool. In fact, he is as cool as a cucumber. So, by using this simile, we can give a good expression that this boy is very cool. He is not worried. He is not scared. Now, just move towards the second part. Its second part, match A and B by drawing lines. So student, here is some characteristics are given in the sentence and then you have to choose the right one simile, the right one comparison by matching the A list sentence with the B list sentence. Now look at A part. The lake has no water in it. So if there is no water in the lake or in the pond, you can say that it is dry. So we will give the comparison with the dryness. The lake has no water in it. It is as dry as a bone. B part. Mona is always kind and polite. If we find that someone is very kind and polite, it means that that person is good. So we will match the comparison that Mona is always kind and polite. She is as good as gold. Now look at C part. Shahid's hair is not grey. That's mean we will compare it with this one sentence. It is as white as snow. As white is snow is also white and the gray and the hair of Shahid is also white. So we will compare this that as white as snow. D part. The box was lifted by 5 strong men. The box is very heavy. That is why it is lifted by 5 men. So we will compare this with as heavy as lead. Bilal's grandfather is very old. So we will compare it with the oldness of hills, that as old as the hills. Now students, we move towards the next one page. This is page number 7 and the third one statement is, make sentences by using A and B given on page 6. The first has been done for you. So students, you have completed the matching of A list with the B list by drawing lines. Now you have to write down the sentences here by giving that comparison. A part. The lake has no water in it. It is as dry as a bone. Now look at the B part. Mona is always kind and polite. She is as good as gold. C part. Shahid's hair is not grey. It is as white as snow. D part. The box was lifted by 5 strong men. It is as heavy as lead. E part. Bilal's grandfather is very old. He is as old as the hills. Students, we have completed A part and the three different statements you have completed here. And I think so this is quite clear to you. You have to solve this exercise on your workbook, and I think so this comparison is quite clear to you. And you are looking here that these sentences give you a very good expression. You feel pleasure by listening these sentences while you are using similes. I think so this is quite clear to you. Now take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.